In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Logitech G29 steering wheel not working on a PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about what to do if your G29 is not working while connected to a PlayStation 4. The most obvious thing that I need to address is that if you have the Xbox version of the steering wheel, then sadly it isn't going to be compatible. So as you can see, they have two distinct models, one designed for Xbox consoles that is also compatible with PC, and then the same for PlayStation consoles instead, which also works for PC. But the point is, you need to make sure that you have the PlayStation 5/PlayStation 4 version to get it to work with a PlayStation console. If you have the Xbox One, that can be detected with this big Xbox button, then sadly it isn't going to be compatible. Now, if you do have the PlayStation version, the very first thing that you should do is swap out the USB connection that you are using. So try a different USB port. As simple as this is, this can help address issues related to it not being detected properly. With this done, open any compatible game and see if it works. And that's another important thing. You need to make sure that you are playing something compatible. Let's say, for example, you try to play GTA 5 with the steering wheel. This isn't going to work because GTA 5 itself does not support steering wheel inputs. So oftentimes, it can be a problem related to the game. So if you are able to navigate through the menus on the PlayStation 4 interface, but it doesn't work inside of the game, make sure that the game itself has support. So you can look on Google if a specific game that you are trying to play has support. Most games, like racing games, racing sims, are designed to be used with a steering wheel, so those are going to work without any issues. But other games like GTA 5, even though they have cars and other vehicles, they don't have support, so it depends on the specific title that you are trying to play. Besides this, another thing is to make sure that you aren't connecting any external controllers. So if you have controllers charging, or even if they are connected, what I would recommend is that you unplug everything, including these controllers, and you power on your PlayStation 4 with only the G29. So you plug in the G29 to any of the available USB ports, and then you power on the PlayStation 4 with only the steering wheel, with no other controllers. By doing this, it is going to force the PlayStation 4 to use it as the main input. Then you can open a game, and after the G29 is detected and used, because it is the only controller connected, you can go ahead and power on your controller again to have it connected if you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Logitech G29 steering wheel not working on a PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.